Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to send dynamic videos or dynamic video campaigns through Reply. Okay, so I do have my campaign ready here. If you do not know how to do this because you haven't done it before, no worries because we have tutorials for this. But yes, in this case, I'll just assume that you have your campaign ready and your videos have been generated like just like in my case here. Okay, so this is very simple. We just need to go for share campaign here, and then you need to look for reply. And then if you click here, you'll get this message saying reply, copy to clipboard. Okay, and then we'll just move on to our reply campaign. Or actually sequence. Okay, so I have my steps here. I'm in the steps section. I have my step here, so I'll make a click. Okay, and actually, let me close this up and show you something very important. So by default, and this is the new look of reply. By default, you'll have this option like this, and it's telling you plain text sending mode and text only, which means like it says right there that the HTML formatting will be removed as well as images, etc. Okay, so of course this is not something we want because if I make a click again, you'll notice I have a couple of options, and there's one more icon that we need, which is gone in this format. But if I turn this off, to enable HTML, we'll have the code view back there again. So this is exactly what we're looking for. So I'll make a click there, hit enter a few times, and paste what I just grabbed from my dynamic campaign, which is basically what we got from or by clicking on this button. Okay, so we'll see this. We'll click OK, and we'll get this placeholder. Okay, so for your videos, you might have noticed that, of course, the previews you get here. And let me turn this off. The previews you get here, already have or already show a specific website for each of your leads, right? And you don't see them here, not even in the preview section. And this is more than fine. This is how it works. There's a reason for it. Platforms usually do not connect the variables while in preview or test mode, okay? And you won't even get it if you actually send a test email, okay? So that won't work, okay? So, but I'll just click on save, and then we can go into preview, into this step, and you'll still see the same thing, like your fallback, just kicking in. So you're not actually seeing the correct one. So if you want to know if this is actually working, if you make a click on the image, you'll get this button highlighted, which is insert edit link. So you'll get the URL that the customer or lead will get. So if you actually copy that, you go here, you paste it, you'll see how the real video comes up, just like we have here. So this, of course, just tells you that everything is working as expected. But again, you won't see anything until you actually send, the video or the email. So basically, if you want to test this out because you're not sure, because you're doing it for the first time, just be aware, that about this, and just probably create a video for a secondary email that you have, and just actually launch a real campaign if you want to see it through from beginning to end, and you want to of course confirm how it works. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.